so walk in. This is Barkley walk after his haircut. Yeah. Barkley had his haircut already. Going to feel a lot cooler now in this hot weather. Oh, you want to go down there?
You have entered the monitoring area.
Let's go. You're right, somebody out here been watering. I didn't do it. Barkley, it's been a couple hours since you used the bathroom. You need to use it. Let's go around again, Barkley. Come on, Barkley. I want you to use the bathroom. Come on. You don't have to use it? Okay, come on, Lucy. Barkley, you don't want to use it. You don't want to. Thanks to folks for walking with you. Say thank you. Ooh. I gotta feed you guys anyway. Yeah, it's about that time. Thanks to folks for walking. Thanks for watching, folks.